This is a continuation of the fall final exam review for Algebra 1, starting on number 52 on the last page. The table represents some points on a graph of a linear function. Which linear function matches this table? I'm going to use my calculator to help me find the slope. So I need to go to Stat, Edit. I'm going to clear out anything that's there. Remember to push clear and not delete. My x column, I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. In my y column, I have 4, 11, 18, and 25. I go back to Stat, Calc, number 4, all the way down to Calculate. And I get that my slope is 7, and my y-intercept is -3. Notice that all of our functions are given to us in point-slope form. Point-slope form is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So our m, or our slope, is positive 7. Notice that all of these have 7 for the slope, so I can't rule any answers out. Okay, second thing I notice is that all of these have the numbers 3 and 18, so that means I am looking at the point 3, 18. Both are positive numbers, but in my formula, it is minus y1 and minus x1. So I am looking for the equation that has minus 3 and minus 18. The only one that has minus for both is choice A. C has plus 3, B has plus 3 and plus 18, D has minus 3 but plus 18. Number 53. The function y equals 20 plus 3x minus 2 can be used to determine the cost of having a Chick-fil-A deliver sandwich to an event. What is the rate of change of the cost in dollars with respect to the number of changes? Remember, rate of change is slope, and this is always the coefficient of x. So I have y equals 20 plus 3 times x minus 2. I'm going to simplify this just to make sure of my answer. Y equals 20 plus 3x, I'm distributing. 3 times -2 is -6. I combine like terms. Y equals 3x. 20 minus 6 is positive 14. So my slope, the coefficient of x, is 3. Choice B, $3 per sandwich. Number 54. The graph of the linear function g is shown. What is the zero of g? Remember, 0 is just a fancy word for x-intercept, and when I see 0, I'm just looking at the x value. So my x-intercept is the point 2, 0. My 0 is just 2. This is the end of the fall final review for Algebra 1. Study hard. Remember, the schedule for next week is Wednesday. You will go to 6th, 7th, and 8th periods. Thursday, you will go 3, 2, 1, and Friday will be 5th period. Study hard.